Have you guys ever struggled with finding clothes that fit your body type, or finding really cute clothes that fit curvy girls? Trust me, I feel your pain, okay? I have struggled time and time again to go into these stores and find the perfect clothes for my body type as a plus size woman, okay? I'm about to go into all the DD's locations in Oklahoma City and show you guys how I shop and how I find the clothes that are perfect for my body type, a needle in a haystack, okay? That's what we're about to do today, okay? If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Sharnice, and this is our plus size fashion community here on this channel. So let's go ahead and get to shopping. The first thing I can say is that you need to go on days when you have a lot of time so that you can really thoroughly look through all the aisles, okay? Especially when you come to stores like DD's, they have all kinds of stuff on all kinds of different aisles, okay? Look at these shoes I just found for just $6.99, okay? Now, this is a perfect, beautiful spring color. I'm about to try these on. So, yeah, that's the first thing, is make sure you have enough time to really thoroughly look through everything. And if you can try it on, definitely try it on, because you might not like the way it looks on. I feel like this makes my foot look fat. They look like they're comfortable though. So another thing that I like to do when I'm shopping is I like to go ahead and match out outfits. So I'm all into athleisure wear right now. So when I see these tops, I like to see if I can find bottoms with them too that match. Because 9 times out of 10, they do have ones that match. Or they might already have 2-piece sets for you like this. See? And this is 2-piece for. Okay, y'all, and then I promise y'all gonna find some stuff that you're not even looking for, but you can't pass it up because it looks so cute. And it's only $6.99. I know I can make an outfit out of this for something, child. That's cute. And it look like it's a good quality. Oh, and I also picked up some more leggings. They're more capri style, like above ankle style, I believe. And then they have the pockets on the side. So let's see what else we can find. So I found these 2 shirts, these 2 different colors. They're only $7.99. I'm gonna tell y'all why I love them. They're flowy, so they're gonna hide the belly well. This comes up really, really high, so it's gonna cover, you know, the boobage. And then look at the arms, y'all. Perfect for if you got big arms like me. Like, that's perfect. Okay, y'all know I'm about to get this in both colors. And it's light fabric, okay, perfect for spring and summer. Like, that is everything right there. And you can style this up, dress it down, however you want to do it. Love stuff like this. This is like that Bottega green right here. That is so cute. Now, sometimes you just gotta know yourself and you gotta know what you will and will not wear, okay? Like, even though this shirt is so cute, I probably would never wear this, so I'm not gonna buy it. Even though I am trying to get into more colors since it's, you know, spring and summer, I'm not gonna wear that, so I'm not gonna buy it. And I'm iffy on stripes too, but I do love green, so I am gonna get that. Okay, y'all, so I found these leggings for $6.99. And then the shorts for $6.99 also. So now I'm invested to try to find me a matching top. Okay, so let's see if we can find one. Okay, y'all, I never found a matching bottoms to this. I did find these, but they don't match exactly. So that ain't gonna work. And I don't believe I'm gonna find a matching to this, but I think I'm still gonna get it. And hopefully we can find it at another DD's. I already have this shirt. Yeah, I already have this shirt at home. So worst case scenario, if I don't find a matching top, I can just wear this shirt that I have at home with those leggings and shorts. So that's a win-win. Okay, y'all, so another tip I tell y'all is never skip the men's section, because you never what you're going to find in the men's section that you can make work for you. Y'all see this top right here? Baby, there's so many things you can do with a top like this. For one, you could cut it, crop it. You could tie it up in the front. You could do so many things with this. And it's so cute and colorful, right? And then y'all know I have a Puma problem, so y'all know I'm getting all the Puma shirts. And I don't have one like this. This is so cute. Only $10.99. Gots to get it. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't have a DD's, you can do these same tips. You can do this in Ross, Marshalls. Now, I don't really shop at Marshalls too much, but Burlington's, any of the stores that have plus size clothes for us. You just gotta look through and find them. I've showed these, I think, in a previous video, but my plus size gals, thick chunky heel is our best friend. It's only $12.99. Love these. Love these, love these. And they have them in several different colors too, y'all. Thick chunky heel is the when in doubt. And if it ain't flat, thick chunky heel, okay? Short, thick chunky heel. Here go another pair. Okay. Okay, y'all, we are in another DD's. I found another two-piece set. Okay, comes together for $13.99. I found a set like this a while ago, if y'all watched my other video, for $6.99. Here's some same jackets. Oh, here's another two-piece set. This one is $20. Okay. Puma. I think I already got that Puma shirt. Child, I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm the one that is keeping Puma in business, because all I'll be buying is Puma. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, here is another two-piece set. Okay, for $11.99. I'm telling you, you literally have to just pick a day. Let me turn y'all around. You have to pick a day where you have time to just stand here and look through stuff. A lot of times, a lot of people, they can't find stuff because they're not looking for it. You know what I'm saying? Or they're being real negative about it. I'll never find nothing in the store. They don't never have my size. They don't never have nothing cute for me. Well, if you going in thinking like that, you ain't gonna never find nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Let me see what else I can find, y'all. So here's a all black two-piece set, but this is a large though. And look at that, $8.99. They got something for everybody. Y'all know the smaller sizes, they always, you know, get the best and the cheapest stuff. But we have good stuff too. Here's another two-piece set. That's interesting. Y'all tell me how y'all like that. $8.99. Good arm coverage. So here goes some cute distressed dark blue jeans. My rule of thumb is always try stuff on if you are able to, because honey, these look like a size 14. I don't know, but $14.99, not too bad. It says super high rise, skinny. So I'm gonna get these. We're gonna see what else we can find. Okay, y'all, so we have found some black denim shorts. I like how long they are so that they can cover up the thigh. You can always roll them up or cuff them if you want to. $12.99. Okay. And then they have some blue jeans one also. Again, if they're too long for you and you want, you know, more of a higher cut, you can roll them up, cuff them. But I do like the option that they come long so that, you know, they can cover up most of the thigh. I appreciate that, especially for us plus size gals. So another tip as far as with denim, you want to make sure it's stretchy, okay? So you want to pull on both sides and see that it got some stretch to it, okay? That's what South girls, we love stretch, okay? Gotta have it stretch. Let's see what else we can find, y'all. And you know, I always love to say, if you can't find it in the store, go on Shein, okay? Y'all know I am a Shein gal, so if you're looking for something specific and you can't find it in the store, go on Shein, honey. Go on Shein. Just make sure if it's for a specific event or a specific date or something like that, make sure you order it ahead of time so have enough time to get to you, girl. Okay, what's this? Yes, Shein. If you can't find it in the store, okay? Now, sometimes some stuff is just out of your control. So if the rack look like this, you just got to keep checking back every week or every 2 weeks or so till, you know, they get some more stuff in stock. I don't think I've touched on dresses in DDs, but look at this. This is super cute. Oh my gosh. And it is only $12.99. I'm trying to tell y'all, you just gotta look. You just gotta look. You gotta have the patience to be able to look. And if not, then go on Shein. Okay? Go on Shein. Here's a little dress, spring dress, $8.99. Okay. What is this? I don't know about that. This looks like a... Oh, this is a jumpsuit. How much is this? $10.99. Another jumpsuit, $10.99. These is all 2X and 3X. They got a jean jumpsuit. That's cute. $11.99. I mean, come on, y'all. This looks like a two-piece something suit. Oh yeah, it is a two-piece. And how much is it? $14. I mean, come on, y'all. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Other than it being free, and I don't know where they selling free clothes. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this DD's edition so far. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you are, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, okay? Join in the gang. We have fun over here. We spend money. We spend coin. And got to get new clothes. You know what I'm saying? We have fun shopping over here. Y'all let me know if y'all like this style video. Okay? And I'm going to continue shopping, girl. Look at my basket. Here's another tip. Always get the smallest basket. Okay? Because if you get that big basket, then you're going to really fill it up. Here goes some nice throw-on dresses to wear around the house. $7.99. Some more jumpsuits. You know. Yes. Let me just show y'all the damage that we've done at the DD's, okay? These is all my bags. That's like 3-4 bags. And then my sister, these is her bags. And she about to have more bags to that, okay? Don't play with these, okay? They got it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed shopping and trying on clothes with me. If you are interested in seeing any more tips and tricks about plus size fashion, go ahead and click this next video.